In this video we are going to see back to back test of transformers. Okay, we'll see how the back to back test is going to be done. Back to back test. Okay, in this first we are going to give supply, that is single phase AC supply. This supply we are taking with help of one switch. This is S1, take to here. Here we are keeping one fuse. After this we are going to give this to the wattmeter. Here we are connecting one wattmeter. This is wattmeter. From here we are giving to, here we are connecting one ammeter. This wattmeter is connected here. This is winding. ये है ट्रांसफार्मर 1. We are going to connect one more transformer parallel to this one. That is, this is the transformer T2. Primary side we are going to connect parallelly. This is connected here. The second terminal is connected to upside. Primary side we did parallel connection. Secondary side we are going to connect this in series. Before that we will see here, this is the wattmeter 1. यहाँ पे जो करंट जा रही है I1. Here we are going to keep one voltmeter that is connected like this. Here actually voltmeter we have to connect only in parallel, but in this case when we connect this voltmeter in series, this is going to measure the voltage. If voltage is adding, it will show you the additional voltage. If voltage is subtracting, it will show you what is the subtracting voltage. We are keeping one bypass switch. This is the voltmeter Vs. From here we are connecting one ammeter. After that again we are going to connect one more wattmeter. This is given like this. This is connected here. Now these secondary two windings are in series. To this series winding we are going to connect one auto transformer. What is the purpose of auto transformer? We are going to vary the voltage from 0 to 270. If it is single phase, we can vary 0 to 270. Here we are going to connect one more voltmeter, that is V2. We are giving supply to this auto transformer. Here this is the supply. ये जो है single phase AC. This is this one S2. ये जो है switch S2. पहला जो है S1, अभी ये S2. This is the transformer 3. Here the wattmeter is W2. The current flowing here is I2. I will explain diagram once again. Just see, we are taking single phase AC supply and we are going to conduct this back to back test only on two similar transformers. These two transformers are having similar ratings. Okay, अगर ये 150 केवीए का है तो ट्रांसफार्मर ये भी 150 केवीए का होना चाहिए। ये 230 वोल्ट्स, ये भी 230 वोल्ट्स होना चाहिए। फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड ट्रांसफार्मर्स इट्स रेटिंग्स, voltage rating and kVA rating must be same. Here the primary side we are going to connect parallel. Now to this transformer, this is the phase, this is the neutral. This transformer, this is the phase, this is the neutral. Okay, phase of the transformer is this is the phase, here this is the neutral. Phase of the transformer is connected to phase, this phase terminal. Neutral of this transformer to connect it to neutral of these terminals. If you take here phase, we have to connect this one here. This is neutral, means we have to connect this terminal here. So however we can connect based on the phases. Phase must be connected to phase, neutral must be connected to the neutral. After this, at secondary side we are giving series connection. See, first one end of secondary is connected to first end of second transformer. Here we are keeping one voltmeter. This is to check whether the voltage is in additive manner or subtractive manner. We will see in procedure that one. This ammeter will give you the, this ammeter is going to give us current flowing through the winding at primary side. This ammeter will gives us current flowing through current flowing at secondary side. This voltmeter V2 will show you how much voltage we are applying inside this. This ammeter plays very key role in this experiment. See here, ये है 230 वोल्ट्स का, ये भी 230 वोल्ट्स का। अगर ये दोनों एडिटिव मैनर में है तो 230 प्लस 230 कितना होगा, 460 वोल्ट्स हो जाएगा। इन this voltmeter, while closing this switch, these two must be in additive manner. So here actually this is the single phase supply, but we must keep at least 600 volts. Why? Just now we calculated these are in phase, in same phase. Additive manner means ये पहला जो 230 है ये 230 को एडिंग हो रहा है। इसलिए हम लोग क्या करना है, जब भी हम लोग एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के समय में ये क्या होना है, फेस अपोजिशन होना चाहिए। दिस शुड बी इन अपोजिट मैनर। अपोजिट मतलब 230 माइनस 230 कितना होगा, 0 वोल्ट्स। व्हेन द वोल्टमीटर शोज 0 वोल्ट्स, its meaning is that these two transformers are connected in phase opposition. At that time we have to close this switch. When you close the switch, this voltmeter is going to be short circuit, means it is going to be eliminated from the circuit. We must take care while connecting this voltmeter. The range of voltmeter must be above this 460. 460 से कम है तो ये वोल्टमीटर खराब हो जाएगा। जब यहाँ 0 वोल्टेज दिखा रहा है तब हम लोग इसको स्विच को क्लोज करना है। बिकॉज ऑफ दिस टू आइडेंटिकल ट्रांसफार्मर्स देर विल नॉट बी एनी सर्कुलेटिंग करेंट्स। इफ these two transformers are not identical, then there will be some circulating currents. Here after this we are going to close the switch S2. Okay, when we close this switch S2, through this auto transformer we are going to give some voltage this side. Then what will happen is this is going to supply it will supply some circulating currents through this system. Okay, after this the transformer 1 has W1. Okay, this W1 will notes the power of the primary side. W2 is going to give you the power that which is at secondary side. Okay, here W1 indicates the iron loss, W2 indicates the copper loss. This W1 is going to give the reading, that reading which is the iron loss of the transformer. W2 is the copper loss of the transformer. So we know iron losses, copper losses, then we can easily find the efficiency. Here I am going to note down all the values. This is observation table. In this observation table, we are going to note down so this one is the table for back to back test. First one, serial number. After that we have to note down the voltage, that is in volts. Next, I1 current in ampere. After that, W1 in watts. Next, we are going to note down the voltmeter 2. This is voltmeter 1, voltmeter 2 in volts. After that, second ammeter, that current in amperes. After this, W2 in watt. Okay, now we have noted all these values. From here, already told, W1 will record the reading. That reading is iron loss of transformer. W2 is the copper loss of the transformers. ये जो W1 है दोनों ट्रांसफार्मर का रीडिंग रिकॉर्ड करेगा. अगर हम लोग को एक ट्रांसफार्मर का रीडिंग चाहिए तो क्या करना है, आयरन लॉस ऑफ वन ट्रांसफार्मर चाहिए तो हम लोग क्या करना है, W1/2 करना है. क्यों, ये दो ट्रांसफार्मर्स ये है आइडेंटिकल ट्रांसफार्मर्स. सो अगर इफ़ यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट द आयरन लॉस ऑफ वन ट्रांसफार्मर वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट विथ 2. ओके, इससे चलते कॉपर लॉस ऑफ वन ट्रांसफार्मर, दिस इज ऑल्सो सेम W2/2. Now these values will come, these are iron loss plus copper loss. Now if you want to calculate efficiency, what is the efficiency formula? Output by input into 100. Input equals to, we have one more formula. Input equals to क्या, आउटपुट प्लस लॉस है ना. हम लोग एक मोटर है तो इनपुट 10 है तो इसमें मोटर में लॉसेस 2 हो गया, बाहर 8 आया. अभी क्या बोल सकते हैं हम लोग, इनपुट इक्वल्स टू आउटपुट प्लस लॉस. इनपुट ये है 10 दिया, हम लोग का आउटपुट कितना है 8 प्लस लॉस 2, 10 इक्वल्स टू 10 है ना. दिस इज द फार्मूला. इनपुट मतलब we can write this input equals to output plus loss. We'll see. Efficiency equals to output by output plus loss into 100. In this case, output by loss. What are the losses we have? 2 losses. Iron loss of transformer is W1/2 plus copper loss of the transformer is W2/2. If you multiply this with 100 we can calculate the efficiency of the transformer. Next, we are going to see determination of regulation. This one is determination of regulation. Okay,